In a sunny little town by the river, a gentle teacher named Mr. Hale stood in front of his class, holding a bundle of smooth, round stones. It was a Tuesday morning, and the students expected a math lesson, not a mystery. But Mr. Hale smiled softly. "I have something for you," he said, placing the stones in a wooden bowl. The children leaned forward curiously. "These stones," he continued, "will help us learn something important. Each time you say something unkind to someone or speak without thinking, I want you to take one stone from this bowl and put it in your backpack." The students looked at each other. Some laughed. Some frowned nervously. Still, they agreed. By the end of the first day, several children had already slipped 2 or 3 stones into their bags. At first, it didn't feel like much. The stones were small and smooth, but by Wednesday, backpacks grew heavy. The children groaned as they walked to school, shoulders aching. They began to realize how quickly careless words added weight. By Friday, some could hardly carry their bags. The straps dug into their shoulders and their steps became slower. They started watching their words more carefully, afraid of adding another stone. At the end of the week, Mr. Hale gathered them. "Tell me," he said gently, "how did it feel to carry those bags?" "Tiring," one boy exclaimed. "My shoulders hurt," a girl added. "It got heavier every day," another sighed. Mr. Hale nodded. That is what unkind words do. At first they seem small, light, easy to throw, but over time they weigh down not only others, but also you. Your heart becomes heavy. The room grew quiet. The children slowly opened their backpacks and poured out the stones. The clattering sound filled the classroom like a burden being lifted. From that day on, many of them chose their words more carefully, knowing that every unkindness adds weight no one should have to carry. Moral: words have power. Unkind words may feel small, but they weigh heavy on hearts, including your own. Choose kindness and walk lighter. Vocabulary from the story: burden meaning a heavy load, either physical or emotional. Example: their backpacks became a burden. Straps meaning the bands that hold or carry a bag. Example: the straps dug into their shoulders. Clattering meaning a loud, rattling sound of many things hitting each other. Example: the stones clattered onto the floor. Careless meaning not paying enough attention, thoughtless. Example: careless words added more stones. Weigh down meaning to make heavy or harder to carry. Example: the stones began to weigh them down. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.